everyone, this is Mohammed Inzamam. Hope you are liking all my videos, guys. Mathematics properties of triangles I have already completed. Now go watch my all videos for the properties of triangle. See the logic 1, logic 2, logic 3 problems. Formula I have given in very short manners, guys, and at last based on formulas also we have done certain problems. Hope you are liking and subscribing all the videos. Share with your friends. If you haven't subscribed so far, go press the subscribe button, press the bell icon, guys, to be notified for the further more videos. Definitely this is going to be utilized for your DSE ESET examination. Plan well for your ESET examination, guys. Thank you very much. This is Mohammed Inzamam signing off. Thank you very much, guys. Let's continue the next topic in the properties of triangle, that is logic 2 and logic 3 type of problem. And the logic 1 is going to get failed, guys. Then how to solve the problem without using the formula? Let's try and understand. Question given is A into B cos C minus C cos B. Now you can observe, guys, A is the odd one out or BC must be the odd one out. That means answer must be in terms of A term or answer must be in terms of BC term. Observe the options. There is no A term. A is not given in any of the option, guys. And the answer must be in terms of BC form only. This is BC, this is also BC, this is also BC, this is also BC form. That means logic 1 you cannot apply now. You cannot tell which one is of the following is the correct answer. Then in that condition also we are having the second logic with which we can get the answer, and the last one logic 3. So observe the question. I'm observing the question, guys, and putting the answer A because C minus C cos B. So this is going to become option A must be the correct answer. So you can see that, guys, within some 5 seconds again you can put the correct answer. So how I am going to solve this one? Let's see the logic 2 and as well as logic 3. Logic 2 is, first of all, by units you need to observe. That is, question units and answer units must be what? Same. Then you can apply the logic 3 also to get the correct answer. In most of the cases, logic 3 is going to give you, for all types of question, maximum you can get the correct answer. But there is only one small condition, that it should not be given any values for the question, then you cannot apply. We'll see that type of problems also. First of all, let's see. A is a side of a triangle, B is also side of a triangle, C is also side of a triangle. R1, R2, R3 are the radiuses of a triangle, radius of a circle, in radius, in circle and X circle what we draw. P1, P2, P3 are again altitudes, guys, height, unit for a height or radius or a side, radius, side minus side. All the units will be what? Meters. Area unit is what? Meter square. Angles does not have any units, guys. Radians and this what you can call it as radians and as well as degrees are not going to be included in our problem. Next logic, ABC equilateral triangle, we are going to assume that small a, small b, small c values are 1, 1, 1. This you need to remember, guys. Angles of a triangle are all equal, that is 60 degrees, 60 degrees, 60 degree. If we are going to solve with the same formulas, R1, R2, R3 values are root 3 by 2, root 3 by 2 and root 3 by 2. What is the formula for S? S formula is A plus B plus C divided by 2. What is the value for A? 1, B 1, C 1. 1 plus 1, 3. So what is the value for S, guys, now? S is equals to 3 divided by 2. What is the formula for delta? Delta equal to root of S into S minus A, S minus B, S minus C. What is the formula for S, the value for S? 3 by 2. 3 by 2 minus 1, 3 by 2 minus 1, 3 by 2 minus 1. Because A, B, C values are what, guys? 1, 1 and 1. Substituting 3 by 2 minus 1 is going to become how much? 1.5 minus 1, it is 1 by 2, 1 by 2 and 1 by 2. 3, 1, 1, 1, it's going to become 3. 2, 2, 2, 2, 2 to the 4, 4, 4 is 16. Root of 3 divided by 16. Answer is going to become root 3 divided by 4. So directly you need to remember this root 3 by 4 value. Next one is capital R. Capital R formula is what? A, B, C divided by 4 times of delta. A value 1, B value 1, C value 1, 4 times of delta. What is the delta value? Root 3 divided by 4. 4, 4 gets a cancel. What is the answer for R now? 1 by root 3. Last one is what, guys? Small r. Small r formula is what? Small r formula is delta divided by S. What is the delta value? Root 3 by 4. What is the S value? S value is 3 divided by 2. 2 1 times, 2 2 times, 3 it can be written as root 3 into root 3. So 1 root 3 gets what? Cancel. What is the answer going to become? 1 by 2 root 3 is going to become your answer, guys. Solve on your own one more time and try to remember these values directly. 1 by 2 root 3. One more time, guys, this is the logic 3 which you need to remember all the values. Now let's solve this problem by logic 2 and logic 3 so that you can understand how to apply. What is the unit of an angle, guys? Angle does not have any unit. Angle does not have any unit. If angle does not have any units, then what is this one? Meter. What is this one? Meter. Meter minus meter. Meter. Meter into meter. Meter square. That means question units are meter square. So option A, units. Let's check this units, guys. Meter square minus meter square. This is meter square. So may possible this is the correct answer. Meter square plus meter square. This is also meter square. So this may also be correct answer. This is 1 by meter square. This cannot be the correct answer. This is 1 by meter. So this is also cannot be the correct answer. So by means of unit logics, guys, option C and option D both got eliminated. So answer must be in option A or option B itself. Let's apply now logic 3. Logic 3 for the question. What is the question for logic 3, guys? It can be written as A value is 1, B value is 1, C angle is cos 60 minus C value is 1, cos B angle is again 60. Cos 60 minus cos 60 is what, guys? 0. So the question logic 3, if you apply, answer is becoming 0. Then if you apply for the solution for option A, that is 1 square minus 1 square, answer 0. Option B, because option B is also correct by the units, guys. So B square plus C square, that is 1 square plus 1 square, it is not equal to 0. So this one is wrong and this one is correct. I'm explaining, that's why I'm doing every single step, guys. In the examination, you are not going to do all the steps directly, you can put the correct answer. One more time, let's try and remember in the logic 2 and logic 3. What is the logic 2? Units. What is the logic 3? Values. Unit 2, logic 2 states that units are meter minus meter, meter into meter is what? Meter square. Meter square, 1 by meter square, 1 by meter. So these both eliminated. These two must be the correct answer. Cos 60 minus cos 60, cos 60 minus cos 60 is 0. So which one is having the 0 now? 1 square minus 1 square or 1 square plus 1 square? Definitely option A. So option A is your correct answer, guys. Pause the video to note it down. Let's try and solve this. The next problem, guys. Question given R2 plus R3, R1 minus R. A is equal to A and B. Already we have solved this problem in the previous part itself, guys. But let's see the logic 2 now. Logic 2 states by the units, guys. What is the unit of radius? Meter plus meter, meter. Meter minus meter, meter. Meter into meter, meter square. So it's gonna become root of meter square. So answer of the question is meter as units. So here the units are meter, meter square, meter and meter. So option B must be the wrong answer. These three can be correct. And now let's apply what, guys? Directly the logic 1. Logic 1 also you can apply here. Logic 1 states that R1 is the odd one out. So this option A must be the correct answer or C could be the correct answer. It's already eliminated and B also is what? Eliminated. So answer must be now A or answer must be what? 2A. Let's apply now logic 3, guys. Logic 3. What is the logic 3? Logic 3 is stated by the values. What is the logic 3 for the question? Let's write the numbers, guys. R2 value is how much? Root 3 by 2. It is root 3 by 2 plus root 3 by 2 into R1 value is also root 3 by 2 minus 1 by 2 root 3. So how you are going to solve this one? Root 3 by 2 plus root 3 by 2, 2 root 3 divided by 2, 2 gets a cancel. Here in this one, what is the common part? You can take 1 by 2 outside. It is root 3 minus 1 divided by root 3. Root 3 into root 3, 3. 3 minus 1, 2. 2 divided by root 3. Outside you have 1 by 2. 2 gets what? Cancel. Here we have left out with root 3. Root 3, cancel. What is the answer, guys? 1. So which of the two options are going to get the one answer? This one, A is having a value, let's say option A. Option A is having 1 and which other one is correct? C. C option is having 2 times of A, that is 2 times of 1. The answer is what? 2. So your question answer is 1. Option answer also must be 1. So which one is the correct answer, guys? Option A is the correct answer. Pause the video to note it down. Let's continue with the next problem, guys. Question given over the board is sigma A, B square plus C square cos A. In sigma, you need to remember that you need to turn this values 3 times. That means this actual question is in this form, guys. A, B square plus C square cos A plus, if I am removing the sigma value here, guys. So after the A series, it's going to become B. B square is going to become C square plus A square. It's going to become cos B. And then it's going to become a C, A square plus C square cos C. This is the meaning of that sigma value, guys. That means it is going to be circling 3 times and then the total question is going to be completed. So this is the meaning of second question. Pause the video to note it down. Now let's continue, guys. First of all, apply the logic 1. What is the logic 1? Observe here. ABC, 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 ABC. So logic 1, according to the logic 1, all could be the correct answer. That means logic 1 is failed. Logic 2 is what? Units. What is the units, guys, of question? Angle does not have any units. B square plus C square, that is meter square plus meter square. Meter square plus meter square, it is meter square. Meter square into meter is what? Meter cube. That means question units are meter cube. And option units also you can see that is meter cube, meter cube, meter cube, meter cube. So all would be the correct answer. So logic 2 is also what? Failed. Logic 3, guys, that is equilateral triangle. First of all, let's apply for the question and then we'll apply for the options also. Question given is sigma A into B square plus C square cos A. So what we can write here? Sigma 1 into 1 square plus 1 square cos 60. So what is the answer going to become? 1 into 2 into cos 60 is also 1 by 2, guys. Sigma will be as it is. 2 1 2 gets cancelled. Sigma 1. Sigma 1 is equals to 1 plus 1 plus 1. The answer is going to become what? 3. The answer is going to become 3. So which option is going to give you the answer as 3, guys? 3 into 1 into 1 into 1. So option A is itself giving you answer 3. So option A is your correct answer. Let's continue with the next question, guys. Sigma A cube, and sigma is given. Directly go for what? Logic 3. So what's the answer now? Sigma 1 cube cos of 60 minus 60. 60 minus 60 is 0. Cos 0 equals to 1. So sigma 1 cube into cos 0. Cos 0 is equals to 1. Sigma 1 cube. It's going to become sigma 1. That is equals to 1 plus 1 plus 1. Answer is what? 3. Which of the following option is going to give you answer 3, guys? Option A is 1 into 1. Answer is going to become 1. Option B is what? 2 into 1 into 1 into 1. Answer is going to become 2. Option C is going to give you what? 3 into 1 into 1 into 1. Answer is what? 3. Option D, observe, guys, 1 plus 1 plus 1. Answer is 3. So how many 3s are there now? Option C is also correct. Option D is also correct. Now go for the units, guys. Units, check the units. Question units are meter cube. Meter cube. Which option is going to give you the meter cube? Option C na? Option D na? Option C is going to give you meter cube. Option D is going to give you meter plus meter plus meter. That is a meter only. So this is not the correct answer. This one is the correct answer. Option C is going to be your correct one. Pause the video to note it down. Let's continue the next problem, guys. You can observe the next question, that is sigma A cube sine of B minus C. Very simple question, guys. Within 5 seconds you can get the correct answer. B. Apply the logic 3. In the logic 3 we know that angles are equal to 60 degrees. ABC are what? 60. So 60 minus 60 is going to become what? 0. Observe here, guys. For the question I am applying the logic 3. Logic 3 is sigma 1 cube sine of 60 minus 60. Sine 60 minus 60 is going to become what? Sine 0. Sine 0 is going to become what? 0. So option answer A is your correct answer, guys. Observe the next question now. Sigma A cot A. Directly I am applying what? Logic 3 for the question. Question applying the logic 3. What is the question gonna become? Sigma 1 cot 60. Cot 60 10 30 is going to become 1 by root 3. It is 1 into 1 by root 3. That is 1 by root 3 itself. Sigma 1 by root 3, that means 3 times you need to write, guys. 1 by root 3 plus 1 by root 3 plus 1 by root 3 cyclic order is going to become 3 by root 3, that is equal to root 3. So question you have solved and you got the answer root 3. Let's find out which of the following option is going to give you the answer as root 3. Question root 3, answer must be also root 3. Let's verify the option A first of all. Option A is r plus r. What is the value for small r, guys? 1 by 2 root 3. What is the value for the capital R? 1 by root 3. It's gonna become what? 1 by root 3 taken common. Let's say it is 1 by root 3 taken common. 1 plus 1 by 2. 1 plus 1 by 2 is gonna become 3 by 2. So this is gonna become 3 by 2 root 3. Numerator you can write root 3 into root 3. This root 3 cancel. Answer you have got as what? Root 3 by 2. Root 3 by 2 is the answer for option A. Observe here, option D, 2 into R plus, it must be 2 into R plus R, guys, 2 into R plus R. If you see the 2 into R plus R option, you can find that 2 into R plus R is how much? R plus R is how much? Root 3 by 2. So this 2 gets cancelled. What is the answer now? Root 3 is your answer. Pause the video to note it down. Let's see one more question, guys, which is given over the board, that is sigma A cos A. Let's first of all solve it by means of the logic 3 to the question and then to the options also. Questions if you are going to solve, guys, it's gonna become sigma 1 cos 60. Cos 60 is sin 30, sin 30 is 1 divided by 2, is gonna become 1 times of 1 by 2, that is sigma 1 by 2. Sigma 1 by 2 is 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2 is gonna become 3 divided by 2. You need not to solve this over the paper guys, in the mind itself you can solve it and you can get the correct answer. Just for the sake of reference and everyone can understand, I am doing over the board, but in the examinations you are going to directly put it over the in the examination screen. Next one, let's apply the same rule to the option A. To the option A, if I apply 2 delta divided by r, what is the value for delta from logic 3? Delta value is delta is equals to root 3 divided by 4. This value you need to remember guys. It's gonna become root 3 divided by 4, and in the r value, capital R value is 1 divided by root 3. If 1 divided by root 3 is going to be the numerator, is going to become root 3 divided by 1. 2 1 times 2 2 times, it is 2 2 times 2. It's going to become root 3 into root 3, 3. Answer is going to become 3 divided by 2. For the question we got the answer 3 by 2. For the options also we got the answer 3 by 2. So which one is the correct answer now? Option A must be your correct answer. That is 2 delta divided by 4. Pause the video to note it down.